I've seen my share of dirty jobs, composting included. Usually it's slow, smelly, and messy, but Bokashi composting from Japan, it's a whole new game. Instead of rotting, you're fermenting your food scraps. Think pickling, not decaying. The secret? No air. You seal scraps in a special bucket, creating an anaerobic environment. This lets unique microbes ferment the waste, not rot it. The result, no foul odors, no pests, and a process that's done in weeks, not months. You can even compost meat, dairy, and oily foods, stuff that's a no-go in regular piles. When you bury the fermented scraps in your garden, they break down fast, supercharging your soil. It's tidy, quick, and perfect for small spaces or apartments. No more turning piles or waiting forever. You're not just getting rid of trash, you're making something valuable for your garden. Bokashi turns a dirty job into a surprisingly clean one. It's composting, but not as you know it. Fast, clean, and powerful. Welcome to the future of food waste. Ready to try Bokashi? You only need 3 things. First, a Bokashi bucket with an airtight lid and a spigot to drain the liquid. That liquid, Bokashi tea, makes a great fertilizer when diluted. Second, Bokashi bran, a micropack starter that looks like sawdust. Sprinkle it over every layer of scraps to kickstart fermentation. Third, your kitchen waste, fruit peels, coffee grounds, even meat and cheese. Chop big pieces small for faster results. No need for a backyard or fancy tools. Set it up under your sink or in the garage. It's compact, clean, and easy. For a small investment, you're turning kitchen trash into garden gold. Bokashi makes composting simple for everyone. I had to see if Bokashi really worked. For 2 weeks, I added all my kitchen scraps to the bucket, pressing them down and topping with bran. Sealed tight, the bucket sat in my garage, quietly fermenting. Every few days, I drained the Bokashi tea. No bad smells, just a tangy, pickled scent. After 2 weeks, I opened the bucket. The scraps looked the same but felt soft and pickled, not rotten. I buried the contents in a garden bed and covered them with soil. 2 more weeks, and the pickled waste broke down completely, enriching the earth. The process was clean, contained, and surprisingly odor-free. No flies, no mess, just efficient transformation. The real magic happened underground as the microbes went to work. It felt more like science than garbage duty. Bokashi made composting easy and almost fun. No more dreading the compost pile. Just a simple, effective way to boost your soil. I was impressed. The results? Stunning. I tested Bokashi compost in my garden beds. Plants in Bokashi-enriched soil grew faster, greener, and stronger than those in regular soil. The secret is in the microbes. Bokashi preserves nutrients and packs the soil with beneficial bacteria. Unlike hot composting, nothing valuable is lost to heat. The microbes make nutrients easy for plants to absorb and help fight off disease. It's like giving your garden a probiotic boost. Cleaner, faster, and more effective than traditional composting. No bad smells, no pests, just rich living soil. Bokashi is perfect for city dwellers or anyone short on space. It's a smarter way to recycle food waste and supercharge your garden. If you want black gold for your plants, Bokashi is the way. Turn your trash into treasure, the easy, modern way.